Welcome to Inztron. How are you? Well, yeah, there's a long gap, but I am so much confused about my future, so that's why I gap that so much. But I also want to consistent in this channel, so yeah, I try my best to consistent this channel. Well, now back on the topic. Today we're talking about PS Vita emulator. There is a new emulator. The name is EmuCoreV, and so many people is feedback like this emulator as very good if compared to PS Vita 3K. So I will also check and try it. The emulator is good or not. Okay, let's try it. Firstly, we seeing a new version. There is a latest version 0.04, and there's many changes are here, like fix on screen controller, gamepad support, and save data manager, driver manager, and also added a Turkish language. I mean, can you added some like Hindi language and Portugal? Well, Turkish language, maybe its developer belong to a Turkish, that's why. Okay, and there's a note, it's very important. You must delete the old version and install the new version. Basically, if you have already installed it, then delete, then install a new version is very necessary. Okay, now we'll go to emulator. I open the emulator and first see like PS Vita on Android. Play your PS Vita game on Android with the Vita 3K core. Okay, click the next button and there's your library, and basically the UI is very good, and click to next, and there's a very important setting you see almost ready, like if you doesn't need to download to other things, you get it in this emulator. So it's very good thing. So, and one by one I get it, these things like firmware update and best firmware, and click the button to get started. Okay, now the process is complete, and the second step is including the game. Okay, using the burger point, click to the burger point. Okay, yeah, using a three dot. Okay, and there's a install game. Okay, click it, and where you store the game, go and include it. Basically I have to there, so I included first game. Now the second game I was included, so problem I had faced. So using choose a supported game file and such a vpk and zip and rif, and you facing most of these problem to PS Vita. So how to solve it? There's a so easy way to solve this. So firstly we go to that archiver, and now we will get and using the game Uncharted Golden Abyss. Okay, then click it and view, and use this using app, click it and using this. Okay, there PCS, just copy it and paste it outside like here. Okay, that's one step is done. Okay, now using this file. Okay, click it, and there's so many folders are here. Select the all and click the long press in these files, and using a create archive. So firstly I include some name. The Uncharted name is very good. Okay, and there's a archive format. Okay, click this and click to zip. Okay, and but then click to OK, and there's a compressing is start. Okay, this is done, and now we will go to a MOV. Okay, then again to install the game, and yeah, this installing system is good. Okay, now there's no problem over here. Now we will go to a setting, and setting is very easy, no worry about that. Now we will click to burger button and go to setting. So go to a graphics section, and there is a render, OpenGL, Vulkan, choose Vulkan, and there's a manage driver. Okay, you have to also install the driver if you have, and if you doesn't have, so don't worry, there's so many drivers. If you have a like Snapdragon processor. Okay, and scroll down using touch display area, enable that, and now we'll go to a overlay, and using a performance overlay, enable it, and using FPS, and there's a many thing like overlay data level, low, medium, high, maximum, whatever you want. Like if you click to medium, so FPS bar to mid, and there's a many things. And now we will go to a system and using a FPS hack, turbo mode, boot apps, full screen, so enable that. And now we'll go to advanced setting and using a validation layer, enable it. Now the all setting will be done. Now we will go to check the game and check the game is working or not. Firstly we check Street Fighter into Taken. Okay, the starting point is good and the storyline also well, but I am seeing some little bit issue, but I play this game like this is a buttery smooth and the sound also good. Using FPS also 60 FPS and sometimes 60 above, like 61, 62. That's a reason, and I have not facing some glitches issue, not at all. And the PS Vita version is also good, but I have some face to some resolution. Seeing resolution is not good, maybe little low, that's why it's working good. If the resolution high, maybe some lag, but I doesn't have face any issue. Now I was run Uncharted, and the Uncharted is working properly, but there's a some time unfortunately to provide some glitches, but the game run smoothly. Storyline little bit glitchy, but the game is working properly and so much smooth. If you have a low-end device, the game is working well, and also this game is very good. You can also check out, but sometime using a FPS to 30 to 37, there's a working on it, because in this emulator sometime open world game is problematic in your mobile, but if you play a fighting game, there's a working smoothly. And yeah, if you want something and if you want some help, check my Telegram. There's an Inztron, and click to hype button, the video will be reached. Okay, then that's it today video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and check the left right video. Okay, then bye bye.